Village life is calm and peaceful, while the city life is fast-paced. This life means living in village areas with a friendly, simple, and easy environment. It is the most natural life of human beings. In village areas, houses are made of straw, bamboo, and mud. The houses have spacious yards, often with a kitchen garden in front of it. Village life is quite slow but peaceful. Villagers lead a simple life. They live in harmony with each other. The village is a panorama of the charming scenes of nature. Vast fields smile with green crops. Rivers and murmuring streams flow gently. Trees are bent with ripe fruits. It brings a divine touch into the human mind. Hence, village life is full of divine beauty. They value relationships and make efforts to maintain the same. Kinship is intense, and the relationship among the neighbors is very deep here. They are well aware of the people living in their neighborhood and stand by them in their hour of need. Most of the village people are easygoing and cooperative. The village people take part in fairs and festivals. Villagers also give special importance to their customs and traditions and follow them religiously. Villagers are content with the necessities of life. The festivals in villages are celebrated collectively, and thus the joy and happiness during that time double up. They discharge their social duties in the simplest manner possible.